What is up, you guys? So just got out of work and let's head on to the airport to pick up some betas. 120 of them right now, so it's a big box. Big shout out to April Ross for helping us out with this shipment. Let's go. All right, you guys, we're back at home. Let's open this box up. I'm not gonna go through all of them one by one. It's just because we have so many fishes in there. I'm just gonna go through all of the color patterns that we got for this shipment. And later on, I'm gonna show you some video clips of the betas that we have in here. Stay tuned for that. I had to cut the video there. It's just because all my personal information were written in those bags. Anyways, let's start off with this one right here. This one is a platinum HMPK. A lot of solids for this shipment. I have that. Plus I have some super reds in there as well. Probably about 5 pairs. Really nice looking fishes. I also have some female galaxy betas. I ordered about 50 of them, planning to start a sorority tank. And I also have some FCCP, as they call it. I have 5 pairs of those. Still small, but form is really good. And then last but not least, we have our red galaxy copper. I ordered also 5 pairs of them. Really nice looking fishes. I'm planning to breed them soon. So this is how they look like, guys, in this box. A little too crowded. And then let's get them all acclimated and transfer them to their tanks.